Welcome to the beating heart of Diversey, a Solenis company.
I'm David Holden, your guide on this exclusive tour through our new HQ and R&D centre.
Step into a world where technology meets sustainability. Here we're building a safer and healthier world through sustainable innovation.
I can't wait to show you around.
Innovation in cleaning technology means making cleaning faster, easier, and eco-friendly. Less efforts with better results.
Here at the Town Hall area, we present our new solutions to help our customers achieve their operational and sustainability goals, all while helping create a cleaner, safer world. We not only innovate here, but we also educate our employees and customers by transferring knowledge on topics such as sustainable floor cleaning. This state-of-the-art building will help us clear our course to create sustainable solutions. Those solutions will help us conserve natural resources and promote cleaner and safer environments, helping us deliver value by solving sustainability and operational challenges with the right people and the right technology.